Hello modelers, welcome to another video. Today we will introduce the most iconic fighter plane of all time. Of course, many of you have already guessed that this is a Lockheed Martin F-16. In our case, an F-16 CJ Block 50. Tamiya produced the kit in 2014. In 2015, they added new parts. This is a full equipment kit. It includes missiles and external fuel tanks. I feel like this is the first 1 to 72 scale airplane model on my channel. After all the big models, this kit was very small and cute. As always, Tamiya has done an excellent job on the details of the model. Everything is perfect and fits together beautifully. Fun fact, according to statistics, 70% of viewers have already left the video at this point. Thank you for still watching. The ejection seat is simpler, but the pilot will be sitting on it, so it doesn't matter at all. There is no shortage of detail in the cockpit, but none of it will be visible, thanks to the pilot and the glass, which I spray orange. I used a paintbrush for all the cockpit painting. To highlight the details on the black background, I used a wash of white oil and Zippo lighter fluid. I painted the suit of our heroic fighter with Tamiya X F-58 acrylic paint. Ready for takeoff? Good pilot, good. Quite nicely done undercarriage shaft. And I almost forgot. I used Tamiya extra thin glue for gluing. See how it fits? Buy a Tamiya model, cut out the pieces, put them in a box, add glue. Shake the box and the finished model will fall out. Haha. I'm cutting the wings again. I have all my fingers, so I'm celebrating success. The model will be shown in takeoff, so I need to get the wings into takeoff configuration. The fit of the pieces is really very beautiful. The depiction of full engine thrust and the red-hot nozzle could really be better. But again, this is a detail that will not be visible because it will be deep in the fuselage of the aircraft where the eye cannot reach. Oops, gravity is relentless. Are you still here? Subliminal information is telling you, subscribe now, or at least like or comment, or everything. Just a little further, and it's there. Tamiya also designed the engine intake very nicely. My least favorite activity, working with the landing gear. Don't you like this phase too? Leave a comment. Finishing the last details. Oh my God, still the front wheel? Now I'm going to put the weapon mounts there. Now I want to glue the elevators. For the model in takeoff, I will raise the nose of the aircraft and fix the rudder in the position of the control stick pulled. Assembly of missiles and external fuel tanks. There is an unsightly dividing line in the cabin. I will remove it with the help of sandpaper and Tamiya polish. According to the reference photo of the actual machine I'm building, the cabin glass is orange. I used a combination of clear paints and Tamiya gloss paint. I polished it again with Tamiya polish compound. Time to glue the cabins. If you made it this far, you are one of the 18% of viewers who managed to watch the entire video, and I didn't bore them to death, for which you have my huge thanks. As a reward, you will receive a few pictures of the assembled model, and you can look forward to the second part. See you soon. Goodbye, and thanks.